So here, if you print, run it. Okay, so then see, the difference between the remove, delete and pop is remove will remove the value. Delete and pop will remove delete the value of that index. Okay. But again, what is the difference between del and pop? If you print a dot pop, you will get the value which is removed. Okay. But in case of del, you cannot get.
Okay.
Okay. So you should write all these things in your note.
Okay.
Whatever I am detecting to you, this is the theory, and with this example, you have to write it. These are the must in intro question, and while doing the program, you have to see whichever you are going to use. Okay. So you can write some theory.
Del means permanent,
Uh, uh,
Del,
no,
del
okay,
means,
okay, okay. Write the comment here. Go to remove. Go to remove to. Give a
okay.
comment. It will remove the value. It will remove the value to. Comment. Give the comment as a hash.
Okay. Already just
Don't give that hyphen.
hyphen.
Remove that
Okay.
hyphen. Right. It will remove the value to. Now come to delete. It will remove hash hash. It will remove the value of that index 2. It will remove the value of the index 2. This one also it's same. It will remove the value of index 2. Also it will return which one is removed. Also it will return that value. Also it will return that value. Because if you want to know which value removed, the pop will give, but the remove and del they won't give. Okay. You can print a dot pop to, right? Like that you cannot print a dot remove del a, you cannot print. You can print a remove, but it will give none. Just try it. Just try it. Okay, that's it. Now try print a dot remove to. Run it. If you print it, it will give none. Now print del, not a dot. Del space a within square bracket 2. Square bracket. Okay, run it. So the del will give a syntax error. We cannot print that one. Okay, write in the comment here. All the three you write a comment. This is this will return the value. This will return comment. This will return the value. It will return none, and this will give syntax error. Okay, that's it. And save it. So we are done with your
string and lister.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Can I copy this one, sir?
Yeah, copy it. Okay. So we'll stop here. We're not going any new topic now. Okay. But
Okay.
still it is there. I'll tell you. Like that, so many are there.
Sir?
So
Okay.
like that, so many built-in functions are there. We'll see in the next class. We'll do some
Okay.
exercise now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But try to remember all these built-in functions. Hmm?
Hmm.
Okay.
By heart, sir.
By heart or by kidney? Uh, no, actually, I mean, it's very difficult. I mean, very difficult to do by. I mean, just simply by hitting the things, it won't help you. Okay.
Okay,
Anyhow,
yes, sir. I understood.
So, and it's not that much complex. Okay, just you do once means it will. If you read once, no, it will remember, and you do some programs, it will be easy. Okay, so
Yes,
that's
sir.
what I'm telling you. At the end of the class, at least I'm doing some exercise, but at least from your side, including everything, at least 500 program you should do. So that everything will be your mind, and whenever anybody will ask you, you can able to answer quickly within 5 minutes. Okay.
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 Okay. Write the exercise. Let's do print -10 to +10.
Okay, sir.
Print
Minus.
no question. Write the
No,
question.
it's a question, bro. Question.
It's a question. Print -10 to +10. Okay, to 10. I mean negative -10, -9, -8, like that, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10. Okay, write the code. I'm giving you 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
You people also think the logic.
Okay, sir.
No, that is correct. L only.
Yes, sir.
That is correct. Make it L. So you want range from where to where? 10 to
That's right.
minus 10 to 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to give minus 10 here. That means A.
No, sir. What I'm thinking, if
Wait,
we
wait.
change value.
No. It's fine. Now give
Yes.
give A. You have taken A equal to minus 10, right? Write it A.
Yes.
No. Backspace. Range
Okay.
minus
Minister.
no minus 10. Then here you have taken
Just
A. You have taken A equal to minus 10, right? No need to write minus 10. Write that variable A.
Okay.
So it will start from minus 10. Now, minus 10, how it will increment? Minus 10, then minus 10
plus 1.
plus 1. Now,
Yes.
if minus 10 plus 1 equal to minus 9. So don't give minus 1, give plus 1. Now, no need to give plus sign.
Okay. That's
Now, it will go till 0. You want to print till what you want to print? 10. That means you have to give 11, right?
yes, sir.
Instead of 0, write B plus 1. B plus 1. Okay. Now do.
Yes.
Now remove those lines. R also you remove. R is not required. Remove the R. Fifth line. That's it. Perfect. Okay. Simple logic. Clear? Okay. Now let's do the find whether a number is positive or negative.
Okay, sir.
Save it.
So write full positive or negative, not minus or plus. Find number positive or negative.
So how to find a number is positive number or negative number? How to find? Let's say A equal to 10. This is a positive or negative? How to find?
This is positive, sir. Without symbol. If you give minus means negative, no.
So how to check? What is the logic?
We need to check.
Enter. If A is
Sir?
greater than
A?
A is greater than 0, positive, else negative, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Print A is positive, else negative. That's it. Okay. So like this small program you can do. Okay, save it. Now, I'll give you some homework. You can try it. Okay. The first question is find the factorial of a number. Find the factorial of a number.
Factorial, sir.
Hmm.
Factorial.
Of a number. So what do you mean by factorial? 5 factorial means? Right, example, right, 5 factorial equal to 5.
5.
Factorial means symbol. What is the symbol of factorial? Shift 1 equal to what is 5 factorial? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
Okay.
Right there. 5 into, no, there only. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is nothing but 120. Okay. Like that, whatever number I'll give, let's say I'll give 100 factorial. Okay. It should give me the output equal to, what is the output? It should give me that one. Okay. Now, question number 2. In a sentence, okay, I have a sentence. Let's say Ram is a good boy. Okay. In a sentence, how many space are there? Count how many space are there. Okay. And that is the same question. Okay. Comma. How many vowels are there? Vowels means A, E, I, O, U.
Yes, sir.
How many vowels are there? Okay. You understood these 2 questions? Now third one. Okay, let's say third question is I have a full name. Okay, let's say full name is Ram. Let's say Ram Kumar Chandra. Ram Kumar Chandra. Okay, so this is the your full name. Okay, I want to separate it. First name is Ram. Middle name is Kumar.
Okay.
And last name is Chandra. I want to segregate first name, middle name, and last name. So between this name there is a space. Okay. Now next one is A string is palindrome or not?
Okay.
A string is palindrome or not? Check it.
Palindrome.
PALINDROME. DROME. Palindrome. The string is palindrome or not? So, what do you mean by palindrome? Palindrome means if you reverse that string, it will become same. Let's say Malayalam. Okay, right?
Okay.
Malayalam.
Hmm.
If you reverse it, what will happen?
The same.
Same. Same. Like that. Madam.
Hmm.
Right? Comma. Madam.
Hmm.
So if you reverse it, it will be same. Okay. So these are called palindrome.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to check whether a string is palindrome or not.
Hmm.
Okay. I think this is enough.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay. So try to do these 4 questions. Let me repeat again. First, the factorial. Factorial is nothing but whatever number I'll give. Let's say I'll give 100. 100 factorial means it should multiply
100
it
into 99. Yeah.
like that, and it give me the final output. Second
Okay.
one
Okay,
is it should let's say I have a sentence. Ram is a good boy. So there you have to find how many spaces are there and how many vowels are there. Okay. Ram is a good boy. So here how many space and how many vowels? Space is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Vowel is A, E, I, O, U. Now, third one is, okay, the full name is there. You have to segregate into first name, middle name, and last name. Okay. Fourth one is palindrome. If you reverse that string, it will be same. Then that is a palindrome. Okay. So try to do it, and tomorrow we can verify.
Okay.
Okay.